Hello everybody, welcome back to video blog episode number 9, and today we will be talking about this batting material that I've been buying on eBay that I've been using for my MTH trains. Now for a lot of you, you buy these new locomotives and you use a smoke unit a lot, and then all of a sudden it stops smoking. Take it apart and you find that you need to replace the wick. However, you do not want to order up some wick from MTH because you don't want to pay for all that shipping. Well, this is a better solution, and I recommend getting this if you don't have to order anything from MTH parts-wise. For example, I bought this because this was cheaper, and I think the MTH wick is a lot better, but I'll explain why I bought this and I use this. First thing is, this is made by Dan's Daughters Containers, and Dan's Daughters basically sells tiki torch wick for people for their tiki torches. So they make the rope wick like you see here. This is a 10-foot strand, and basically the reason why I started using this was I found this on eBay. Not eBay, Amazon, and I think they sell this on eBay too, I'm not really sure, but I bought this off of Amazon, and it comes with Amazon Prime, so I got it within a couple days of ordering it, as normal. And the first thing I did was, when I tried my first strand out, I did a comparison to the MTH strand. The MTH strand is a little bit softer, and it's a little bit more flexible. However, this thing is perfect for when you stick it between the two resistors, it stays put. Now with MTH, I believe they use 3 to 4 inches. So take a look. That's how big the wick is usually when it's in the batting. So this is a alternative solution to using the MTH wick. I didn't put any of this in my Lionel stuff. If I have to change the batting on my Lionel stuff, usually that goes to retail or authorized repair center. I don't want to mess with the Lionel smoke units. The MTH smoke units are pretty simple to take apart, so that's kind of why I can do it by myself. And this batting comes in handy. For example, I have a smoking tank car, and basically I had one piece left from my previous batch, which I ordered about a year ago. And the major thing I did was cutting these tips off and using those. And if I need to do it again, I can just rip it apart and just cut pieces off of it and use it for the smoke batting material. Now, before you install this, I do have a recommendation. Make this section at the end a little bit more bigger, so just start pulling it apart. That helps out with getting more absorption, which creates more smoke. And they sell this in a 5-foot strand, I believe, or a 6-foot strand, and then a 10-foot strand on Amazon. And they go from anywhere from $3.99 to $6.99. So if you need batting material, this is a perfect solution, and this will save you money, as all you got to do is cut it up yourself, and you're pretty much good to go once you install it. Anyways, that's it for now, and I will see you next time.